Welcome back to the China Law 101 video series. I'm your host, Edgar Choi from Law in a Minute. In today's video, we will talk about how a copyright is registered. Copyright protection plays a significant role in safeguarding intellectual property rights and fostering creativity. In China, individuals and businesses have the opportunity to register their creative works to assert their ownership and protect against infringement. China's copyright law offers a wide scope of protection for various creative works. Literary works such as novels, poems, and articles fall under this category. Artistic works encompass paintings, sculptures, and photographs. Musical works, including songs and melodies, are also eligible for copyright protection. Dramatic works, such as plays and scripts, audio-visual works like films and television programs, and architectural designs can also be registered as copyright. Furthermore, computer software programs, applied art, maps, product designs, and compilations are among the other works that can be considered for copyright registration. Now, let us delve into the process of copyright registration in China. The first step is to prepare the necessary documents, including a completed application form, a copy of the work, and any supporting materials such as manuscripts or sketches. Once you have gathered these materials, you can submit your application to the Copyright Protection Center of China, CPCC, or its local branches. The application can be submitted in person, by mail, or online through the official website. Upon submission, the CPPC will review your application for completeness and compliance with copyright requirements. If they require any additional information or clarification, they will reach out to you. Once the review is successfully completed, the CPCC will issue a copyright registration certificate affirming your ownership of the registered work. There are a few important considerations to keep in mind when registering copyrights in China. Firstly, it is advisable to register your copyright as early as possible to establish a clear timeline of ownership. Originality is a key factor for copyright protection, so ensure that your creation meets the criteria of originality and is not a direct copy or imitation of existing works. The duration of copyright protection in China generally exceeds for the author's lifetime plus 50 years, though there are some variations for specific types of works. While not mandatory, displaying the copyright symbol along with the year of creation and the copyright owner's name can help assert your rights. In conclusion, copyright registration in China is a valuable tool for protecting creative works and asserting ownership. By understanding the types of works eligible for copyright protection and following the registration process, individuals and businesses can secure their intellectual property rights and gain a competitive edge in the creative industry. Remember, timely registration and adherence to copyright laws are crucial for safeguarding your valuable creations. Thank you for watching today's video. Please feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Stay tuned for our next episode where we will talk about whether a fingerprint is needed for a contract to be valid.